Hi. Anthropic just changed the game for small business owners. They launched Claude for Small Business on May 13, 2026. A plugin inside the Claude CoWork desktop app that ships with about 15 pre-built skills covering payroll planning, sales campaigns, invoicing, month-end close, and more. Later in this video, we're showing you hands-on just how easy it is to get started. These are not templates you customize for weeks before they do anything. They are ready to run automations, configured for your existing stack, triggered by a conversation. The connector list at launch is very serious. QuickBooks, PayPal, HubSpot, Canva, DocuSign, Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and Slack. If your business runs on any combination of these tools, you have direct integration available today. But here's where it gets really interesting. We've all been told for years that AI is coming for your jobs. Well, for small business owners, that was a lie. AI was never coming for your job. It was just giving you a new window to manage. I sometimes felt I had more work. You still had to be the bridge as well. So I had to do a lot of work to make it work the way I wanted it. You still had to copy the data from the bank into the spreadsheet, etc. Claude for Small Businesses is the first time the AI actually crosses that bridge for you. So let's look at how this works in a real Monday morning scenario. Usually checking your cash flow means logging into your bank, checking PayPal for pending settlements, and then cross-referencing those against QuickBooks to see who hasn't paid. It's an hour-long game of where is my money? With this new update, you just ask Claude, give me a pulse on my business. Because it's connected to your stack, it reconciles those accounts in seconds. It flags those 3 invoices that are 5 days overdue, and this is the operator part. It drafts the follow-up emails in your brand voice, ready for you to hit send. It's moving from being just a chatbot to chief of staff. Woo! And for the creative side of your business, it's just as deep. If you're running a sales campaign, you don't just ask Claude for ideas. You tell it to analyze your HubSpot data, to find your most active segment, draft the promo strategy, and then, using the Canva connector, actually generate the visual assets for the campaign. You go from data to deliverable without leaving the app. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. The thing that I'm always worried about, security. As a business owner, giving an AI access to your QuickBooks or DocuSign feels like giving a stranger your house keys. But Anthropic clearly anticipated this. They built this on a human-in-the-loop architecture, which means that Claude can't move a single dollar or send a single contract without your explicit approval. It does the grunt work of gathering and drafting, but you remain the final filter. Furthermore, if you are on a team or enterprise plan, your data is not used to train their global models. Your business secrets stay your business secrets. So how do you actually get this running? Well, if you already have a Claude Pro or Team account, you don't need a credit card. It's already there. You just download the Claude CoWork desktop app, head to the plugins menu, and toggle on the small business suite. The most founder-friendly feature they included is the onboarding. I love that. You don't need to read a 50-page manual. You literally just type, "Get me started," into the chat. Claude will interview you about your tools, walk you through the OAuth connections for HubSpot and QuickBooks, and help you run your first workflow. The strategic reality is this. The gap between the manual entrepreneur and the automated entrepreneur just became a canyon. While your competitors are spending Sunday night reconciling books and chasing invoices, you could be using that time to actually grow your company, or better yet, taking the night off with a glass of wine and your loved ones. The accidental admin era is over. Anthropic just gave you your time back. So once you subscribe to Pro, you can see the middle option, CoWork, is available to you, and you can download the desktop app. So you simply download that and open it, let it run, install it on your desktop, and then accept the cookies and get started. Of course, you have to log in. There you are. I've had Jerry show you how he is using it for his business Lightlever. So it's not complicated at all. As you can see, we simply write, "Hey Claude, help me connect and report on QuickBooks Online." And we're going to try to connect M365 in a little while. So it's going to set up and it's going to ask you for connectors. So it has to connect to QuickBooks. And so this is only possible in the United States so far as I am informed. We tried to connect with the Canadian company and it wasn't possible. But you can see how easy it is and how fast it is. So once it becomes available for Canada as well, it should be very straightforward. And as you can see, Jerry asks, what interface or tools do you have for M365? And it shows a great list of things that it can work with. SharePoint, OneDrive, Outlook, Teams. So you have so many options. Create and edit Office files and drive Microsoft 365 in a browser. And again, it's asking to connect and give permission so that it can read your files. And this is where it won't do anything without your permission. You'll log in and see here it asks, what permissions do you want to give Claude in M365? And you can choose to check off whatever you want, or say connect on behalf of your organization. So it's not just you who can use it, it's all your employees in that organization. So just click that and connect, and there we go. And then you can start having a conversation with Claude Small Business. And for example, ask it, can you read my SharePoint now? And Jerry's asking, what are some of the main libraries? Just to check that it actually has access to everything. And it goes in and it checks, and it takes a little while, so give it some time to set it up because it has to kind of go in and look at all your files. So give it some time. And here you can see it has access to our shared documents, client files, marketing. So it knows basically everything about us. And what are the most common and useful tasks for small businesses in M365 with Claude? So you can even ask it, what can I do in my company, in my business? What can I do that would be useful for me? And among other things, it mentions a morning briefing, inbox triage, meeting prep package, find a time. This is something that's already in Outlook, but there's a few options for things that will save you a lot of time every week. So it's going to be exciting to see how this can serve small businesses.
and even a client status dashboard. So you can see there's nothing technical about it. You can have a totally ordinary conversation with Claude and ask it, how do I do this? What can you do for me? What do I do about this? How do I handle this? You can ask it just as if it was someone employed by you to solve issues in your business. And one of the most important things we've mentioned, as you can see, he's writing, can you set metadata in document libraries? Because it's one of the most important things for AI to work correctly is that we clean up our libraries. And here you can see Claude explaining how it can help you clean up your libraries so that your SharePoint libraries aren't a mess and AI can actually find its way and be really helpful and efficient in your libraries for you. It can build Power Automate flows for you, for example. So that's it.
The only question left is, what are you going to do with it? Go to the CoWork app, hit that toggle, and tell Claude to get to work. And let me know in the comments what you think about it, how you use it, or any questions you have, and I will do my best to answer them. Have a great day and have fun with AI.